Hi guys, this is Geet here. I'm going to talk about how to love yourself, which is very important in life. To live a good life, be happy, happy life, being happy is very important. You can always be what you are. Do not feel ever inferior. Do not compare yourself with others. It's fine to be who you are. Learn the good things. That's not bad, but don't ever torture yourself to change yourself to someone else. If you change that, then one day you will keep searching yourself. You would not know who you were or who you are now. Everyone cannot have the so called perfect body. Being fat is not bad. You see all the actors posing a perfect body in Instagram and other social medias. Actually, it's not real. It's completely real. They would have done a lot of editing to look perfect. Some though look perfect. We don't know what not have. They've undergone so many tortures with their body. They would have done some surgery. Some would have done some crash diet or a liposuction. Lot of ways to cut down their all shed down and cut down all their body parts. Troubling yourself is not right. Being healthy is always good. Try to love yourself. Main important thing in life, being healthy. Healthiness is the best wealth ever you can have in your life. You can never hurt yourself. Do not hurt. Not at the cost of spoiling your health by doing the crash diet or torturing yourself. Or there's a lot of things nowadays people see, read out and search in Google, do themselves, give a trial to their body, torture themselves. They compare yourself with somebody else. Please do not do that. Nobody is perfect in this world. Everybody has a plus and minus with them. It's just an appearance that you imagine that they are perfect. If you go to them and ask, they will try to you in many ways, saying that they have so many troubles. It's like, if you compare yourself with others, you start troubling your mind and getting into depression. And that becomes the anxiety disorder, which could further hurt you to serious brain issues. Yeah, one more thing. Being sad is okay. It's an emotion. So let it be with you. No one can be always sad or always be happy. Nothing is eternal. All these are part of life. Emotion needs to be felt and relished and accepted. So if you are sad, you can always accept it and go through it. Nothing is eternal, neither sad nor happiness. But of course, you can keep yourself happy just by doing what you like, what you love, which will make you feel good, and you can relish it by all means. Being happy is your choice. Life is yours, completely your own choice. You choose to live the way you want. All is what you need, is what you and about yourself. But be yourself in the first place. Keep yourself in the first place. Put yourself in the first place. You would definitely achieve the Zen life. Don't hurt yourself or kill yourself by doing what you don't like. Instead, love yourself. Live your life. Be sportive about what all about. Life is short. Make it sweet. This is Geet signing off. Be happy always. Happiness is a choice. You make it in your life. Life will give you a lot of things back in return to you. Be happy always. God bless you all. This is Geet signing off. Catch you in the next session. If you all like it, kindly like it and subscribe it. Try to follow me. Thank you. Bye.